In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate sending a link in a DM on Instagram using ManyChat. We'll walk through the exact process step by step. So by the end of this video, you'll have an automated Instagram DM that sends your link for you without you needing to reply manually every time. First, log into your ManyChat account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look over to the left-hand sidebar and find the settings option. It's usually represented by a small gear icon. Click on that to open your account settings. Inside the settings area, you'll see another menu on the left panel. Look for the section called Channels. Under Channels, you should see Instagram listed. Click on Instagram and make sure your Instagram account is properly connected to ManyChat. If it's not connected yet, you'll need to follow the on-screen prompts to link your Instagram business account. This is essential because the automation we're about to create can only run if Instagram is connected. Once that's ready, go back to the left panel and click on Automation. This is where all of your current automations and flows are stored. At the top right of this page, click on the button that says New Automation. A pop-up window will appear. In this pop-up, make sure Instagram is selected as the channel. You'll now see a list of automation templates that are specifically designed for Instagram. At the top of the pop-up, use the search bar and type DM. This will filter the templates to show options related to direct messages. From this list, choose the template called Auto Send Links in DM. When you select it, the pop-up will reload with more details. Then click Set Up Template to open it. You'll now be taken to the automation editor. Here, the basic flow is already built for you. At the start of the flow, you'll see the trigger. By default, the trigger is set to fire when a user sends a message. If you want to use another trigger, such as a specific keyword or a story reply, click New Trigger. A pop-up will appear where you can choose and configure a different trigger that better suits your strategy. The next step is the message your user will receive after that trigger fires. The template comes with a sample message already filled in. You can click on this message block and edit the text so it matches your brand voice and explains what they're going to receive. Inside this message, you'll also see a button. This button is set up to get Instagram to send another message when it's pressed. You can edit the button title and you can choose what action happens next when your user taps it. For example, you might want the button to say something like, "Send me the link." The last main step in this template is another message that confirms the link has been sent. This message includes a button that opens a website when clicked. Go ahead and edit the text of this confirmation message so it clearly tells people what they're getting. Then click on the button inside that message, change the button title if you want, and paste your link into the URL field provided. This is the link that will open directly in their browser when they tap the button. You'll also notice a 60-second delay block included in the flow. After this delay, there's another message that follows up to ask if they have any more questions or need extra help. This can be great for engagement, but if you don't want the delay or the follow-up message, you can remove them. Just click on the delay block or the message block and then click the small X icon that appears to delete them from your flow. Once you're happy with your trigger, your messages, your buttons, and your link, the final step is to activate the automation. Go to the top right corner of the editor and click Set Live. This will turn the automation on, so from now on, whenever the trigger conditions are met, ManyChat will automatically send your Instagram DM with the link. And that's it. You've just set up an automated Instagram DM in ManyChat that sends your link for you, saving you time and giving your audience a fast, consistent response.